All right, folks, let's get started. Connecting DataStage to Oracle may sound daunting, but it's just a series of logical steps. We'll first understand the basics. Trust me, knowing your tools makes everything easier. Then we'll check prerequisites because no one likes surprises. Setting up the Oracle client and environment variables ensures our system talks to Oracle correctly. Finally, configuring connection properties ties it all together like a perfect tech symphony. Stick with me and you'll be an integration pro in no time. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Let's talk about DataStage and Oracle. DataStage helps in extracting, transforming, and loading data like a data magician. Oracle, on the other hand, is our robust storage house. Together, they create a seamless flow of data, making life easier for businesses dealing with huge data sets. Understanding how they complement each other will help us build efficient pipelines. So let's dive deep and unravel their mysteries. Before diving into the connection process, let's get our prerequisites right. We need the Oracle client installed because, well, you can't talk to Oracle without it. Network connectivity is a must. No one likes connection errors midway. Then comes credentials. Your username and password should be handy. And let's not forget permissions, because nothing is worse than trying to enter a locked door without keys. Get these right and we're ready to roll. Bulk loading data is like moving a couch up the stairs. You want the smoothest, fastest path. Direct path loads skip the middleman, making loading data significantly faster. Index optimization ensures the database doesn't trip over unnecessary overhead. Partitioning your data keeps things neat and improves retrieval. Lastly, always keep an eye on your system resources, because no one likes a database that suddenly decides to take a nap. Managing transactions is like juggling, drop one, and things get messy. Picking the right isolation level ensures consistency and prevents rogue reads. Minimize locking conflicts to avoid unnecessary slowdowns. Batching transactions improves efficiency because no one wants a database gasping for breath. And don't forget to monitor logs. You don't want mysterious phantom transactions sneaking around. Oracle connections are like VIP passes. You want them to be fast and seamless. Connection pooling reduces overhead by reusing established links. Fewer round trips mean less waiting around, so keep calls efficient. Tuning SQL queries ensures the database doesn't throw unnecessary tantrums. And optimizing your network setup, well, that's like making sure your internet doesn't lag during a movie night. And troubleshooting connections is like detective work. You need to spot the clues. Start with network settings. Misconfigurations love causing chaos. Authentication issues. Double-check credentials and permissions. Slow queries. Dive into performance analysis and tweak accordingly. And don't forget those database logs. They are basically your secret informants in the hunt for connection issues. Database security is like locking your front door. You don't want strangers waltzing in. A strong authentication ensures only the right people gain access. Encryption keeps your data safe from prying eyes. Restricting unnecessary access avoids accidental mishaps. And regularly monitoring security logs. Well, that's just good practice because surprises in security are rarely fun. Data integration is like assembling a puzzle. You need all the pieces to fit. Efficient ETL processes streamline data transfer. Validation ensures garbage data doesn't sneak in. Optimized batch processing speeds things up while maintaining stability and consistency across systems. Well, let's just say mismatched data leads to some very confusing reports. So we've covered the essentials, from bulk loading to troubleshooting and security. Now it's time to put all this knowledge to work. Implement the strategies we've discussed and keep monitoring for improvements. Optimization is an ongoing process, so don't rest on your laurels. And if you're feeling ambitious, explore advanced Oracle features, because learning never really stops. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.